In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add an additional revenue source to your blog by monetizing bounce visitors. There's no doubt that your site gets bounce visits, people who come to your site and immediately hit the back button. Depending on the quality of your content and how well your site is designed and functions, that number can be anywhere from 5 to 99%. Of course, you can optimize your site to lower that number, but you can never get rid of bounce traffic completely. And it's not your or your site's fault. Bounces happen simply because search engines don't always know what exactly the user is looking for. For example, a visitor may search for the term Halloween costume and arrive at a how to make a Halloween costume blog when he was actually looking for a place to buy a costume. You see, search keywords don't always tell us users' full intent, and that's why search engines may be sending thousands of bounce visitors to your blog every month. Before, blog owners watched helplessly as bounce visitors left their sites, disappearing forever. Luckily, we created a WordPress plugin that allows blog owners to monetize their bounce traffic. I present to you WP Bounce, the first ever plugin of its kind. Here's how it works. A visitor finds your site in Google, Yahoo, or other search engine. He arrives at your page and quickly skims the content to see if that's what he is looking for. If the visitor is not satisfied with the result of this search, then he will immediately rush his mouse to click the back button or close the tab. Now this is where WP Bounce steps in. Right before the back button is clicked, a window pops up with relevant products pulled from Amazon. If the visitor finds any of these products appealing, he will click the link and be sent to the Amazon site. The visitor makes a purchase and you get a commission. Everybody wins. It's worth mentioning that Amazon is a highly trusted site. I bet most people you know have purchased something on Amazon at least once. And because of this trust, Amazon affiliates see conversion rates much higher than the industry average. We constantly see conversion rates on our own niche blog sites in the range of 7 to 11%. WP Bounce is a powerful tool that helps your visitors find what they're looking for and helps you to monetize traffic that would otherwise have been lost. WP Bounce will not affect your SEO. It uses JavaScript and Ajax to load quietly behind the scenes as your visitor looks at the page. That is why it doesn't make your site slower. WP Bounce doesn't trap browser windows like other exit pop-ups do. Instead, it uses a lightbox type layer, so it's safe to use. Using this plugin is easy. It automatically generates keywords for pulling relevant products from Amazon based on your post content. So, once you install and configure the plugin, you don't have to spend hours looking for products to promote. You can just sit back and relax while the plugin does the job. Or, if you want more control, you can simply change those keywords manually on the Edit Post screen. There are a number of other options you can choose to configure the plugin to fit your needs. Installation is simple. If you've ever installed a WordPress plugin before, you will be able to install WP Bounce just like any other plugin. You simply install it, activate your license, and enter your Amazon associate keys and affiliate tag. And that's it. Very easy, and you'll never have to leave the WordPress admin dashboard. There's another benefit to this tool, but first let me ask you, do you get traffic from outside the United States? It's a rhetorical question. Everybody gets traffic from outside of the US. On our own niche blogs, we see as much as 30 to 40% of visitors from other countries, half of which come from Canada and the UK alone. Our plugin provides you with the ability to change affiliate links based on where the visitor is looking at your website from. For example, if a visitor comes from the UK, it will display products from the amazon.co.uk site. This way, you are able to get more profit from international visitors that would normally not buy through the amazon.com site. The WP Bounce plugin adds a great source of extra revenue from your site. It's capable of making some serious commission, and you'll most likely make enough money to cover its cost very quickly. Start monetizing your bounce traffic and turn your blog into an Amazon money-making machine. Get it today by clicking the Buy Now button.